Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by confirming your Apple ID and turning on iCloud Photos so your library can sync. Open Settings, tap your name, then iCloud and Photos, toggle on iCloud Photos. Make sure you're on a stable Wi-Fi network and either have at least 50% battery or are plugged in because uploads can be power intensive. If storage space is low, the phone will warn you, manage storage or upgrade your iCloud plan now. Once done, the device will start preparing items for upload automatically. Next, decide how the phone stores images. Choose Optimize iPhone Storage to keep smaller local files and free space, or download originals to keep full resolution copies on the device. The Photos app will display a status like uploading or updated just now at the bottom. Use that to monitor progress. If uploads feel stalled, go to Settings Photos to pause and then resume iCloud Photos. This forces a retry. Also check background app refresh and low data mode. Disable them to ensure To finish, confirm that your full library appears on iCloud. Com or another device signed into the same Apple ID, that proves sync completed. If items are missing, sign out of iCloud on your iPhone and sign back in, or restart the phone to prompt a reindex. As one troubleshooting tip, if uploads still fail, reset network settings to clear stuck connections, but back up any saved Wi-Fi passwords first. Once the connection is healthy, iCloud Photos will resume and catch up automatically.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.